Today we will show you how to set up your new Tacx NEO 2T trainer with a Zwift Cog pre-installed. Then, we'll install the Zwift Click controllers and connect your trainer to the Tacx Training and Zwift apps. To begin, download the Tacx Training, Zwift, and Zwift Companion apps to your compatible smartphone. For this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar for Android smartphones. Start by plugging your Tacx NEO 2T trainer into a wall socket using the supplied power cord and adapter. Then, scan the QR code on the side of your trainer. This will open the Tacx Training smartphone application. Now, place your hand over the hand icon on your trainer for 4 seconds. This will place your Tacx NEO 2T trainer into secure pairing mode. The 3 LEDs will blink red 3 times. On the 4th blink, the left LED will blink blue to indicate it is in pairing mode. In the Tacx Training app, tap Connect Trainer. Select your NEO 2T trainer. Then, select Pair when prompted on Apple devices. You may need to update the firmware on your Tacx NEO 2T trainer. Select Update Now if prompted. Do not close the Tacx Training app or unplug your trainer when updating the firmware. The app will then indicate your trainer is up to date. Now, you can install the Zwift Click controllers on your bike. The Zwift Clicks will come with left and right click controllers, 2 bar mounts, and 4 attachment bands. The controllers can be installed in different positions. For this video, we will install them on top of the handlebar. Begin by stacking 1 click controller on top of the rubber cushion. Using 2 of the attachment bands, hook one end. Then, stretch the band over the bar and loop onto the plastic hook on the other side. Ensure the controller is snug by pressing the buttons to make sure it doesn't move. You can adjust the tension if needed. Next, we'll pair your Zwift Cog and Click to the Zwift and Zwift Companion apps. Visit your compatible smartphone's app store to download these apps. The Zwift Companion app allows you to update the firmware on your Zwift Click controllers. This is important to do for this process. Begin by waking up the Zwift Click controllers by pressing any button on each controller. The LEDs will begin flashing blue. This indicates they are in pairing mode. From the Zwift Companion app, select More, followed by Equipment. Select your Zwift Click controller to pair them to the Zwift Companion app. If any updates are available, they will be installed now. The LEDs will turn solid orange while updating. Then, they will turn solid blue when finished. Select OK in the Zwift Companion app. Next, we'll pair your Zwift Cog and Clicks to the Zwift smartphone application. Select Power Source from the Zwift app pairing screen. Then, select your NEO 2T trainer. Select Close. Press any button on the Zwift Click controllers. They will begin flashing blue. Select Controls from the Zwift app pairing screen. Then select your Zwift Click controllers. Select Close. The LEDs on the controllers will turn solid blue when paired. You will now be able to use the plus and minus buttons to virtually shift, use power-ups, and press the A, B, Y, and Z buttons to give ride-ons from the right click. Next, we'll install your bike onto your Tacx NEO 2T trainer. Begin by shifting your gears to the smallest gear in the back and smallest gear up front, if applicable. Now remove your rear wheel. Out of the box, your Tacx NEO 2T trainer is set up for installing a bike with 135mm quick-release axles. For this video, we are using a bike with 12 by 142mm through axles. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the pre-installed block caps from your trainer. Now, install the drive side block cap using a 17mm wrench. Next, install the 12 by 142mm NDS block cap on the non-drive side. Use the supplied 2.7mm spacer if your bike's disc brake caliper contacts your trainer. Finally, remove the instructional disc from your NEO 2T trainer's cog. Now you are ready to install your bike onto your Tacx NEO 2T trainer. We recommend shifting your bike to the middle gear for easy installation. Then, lower your bike onto the Tacx NEO 2T. You may need to move your derailleur out of the way. Now, install your through axle and tighten it. Next, turn your pedals. Shift your gears up or down if you hear any clicking. Adjust the dial on the Zwift Cog clockwise one setting at a time if you are still hearing a clicking noise. Keep a hand on the cog when adjusting to prevent it from rotating. Once the chain is running smoothly, you are ready to ride. Simply hit Let's Go in the Zwift app to begin training. Now you've installed and set up the Zwift Cog and Click system on your Tacx NEO 2T trainer. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching!